Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to seamlessly integrate a beautiful, fully customizable Pinterest feed right into your Elementor website. Let's dive straight in. Before we get started, make sure you have both Elementor and Essential Add-ons installed and activated on your WordPress website. First, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Essential Add-ons. Switch over to the Elements tab at the top. Use the search bar to look for the Pinterest feed element. Make sure it's toggled on and then click Save Settings. Now let's configure the API connection. Click on the settings icon next to the widget toggle to bring up the Pinterest API modal. Click Connect with Pinterest. This will take you to Pinterest's secure login screen. Simply review the permissions and click Give Access. And just like that, your Pinterest account is successfully connected. You'll see your profile handle appear right here. Next, open up the page you want to edit using Elementor. In the left panel, search for Pinterest feed, drag and drop the widget right onto your section canvas. The feed will load dynamically. Under Account Settings, let's change the feed type from User Pins to Board Pins. Set your data cache time to update frequently, like every 1 minute. Then select your preferred board from the drop-down list. Here, we're choosing our football board. Next, open the Feed Settings drop-down. You can play around with different layouts like grid, masonry, or Pinterest wall to find what fits your vibe best. You can even switch it to a slider layout, which gives you complete control over smooth transitions and autoplay timings. Let's stick with the Pinterest wall layout for now. Down here, you can toggle options to show or hide image captions, board names, source domains, and custom hover effects. Now, let's enable the profile header. You can choose between a stacked or centered style, display your follow button, and show your live follower count. Let's make it look stunning. Switch to the Style tab. Here you can customize the spacing between items, lock the image aspect ratio, add modern rounded corners, or enable soft box shadows. Under the Polaroid dropdown, you can add a sleek background card style, tweak font families like Intertight, and adjust your caption sizes. You also have full design control over the profile header. Customize your avatar size, adjust your text colors, and style the follow button to match your brand. Don't forget the Load More button. Give it a custom background color, text color, and padding to make it truly blend with your layout. Once you're completely happy with how everything looks, hit that Publish button at the top right. Let's take a look at the live page. As you scroll, your pins load beautifully with crisp transitions. Clicking Load More seamlessly fetches your remaining pins. And that's it. You've successfully built a dynamic Pinterest feed. Which feature do you want to see next in Essential Add-ons? Let us know in the comments. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.